Hi, everybody. This is Craig, the water guy. I hope you're doing well. Hey, are you searching for Calgon Water Softener? Well, I'm here to tell you that Calgon Water Softener is not an actual water softener for your home. A Calgon Water Softener is basically something that you would use for putting into your water to help fight the hardness minerals so you get better cleansing on your laundry and stuff like that. You can purchase it on places like Amazon, for instance. As you see here, they have a Mighty Bubble laundry treatment, Calgon here for water softener. You add it to your laundry, make sure you wash for whiter, brighter clothes. Maximum life scale protection reduces the risk of breakdown and protects your investment. It's good for 16 laundry loads, stuff like that. And for 32 ounces, you get 16 laundry loads out of it, and it actually ends up costing you quite a bit of money to basically, have soft water using a chemical put into your system, into your laundry to get the benefits of soft water. And it looks like they have prices ranging here from $9.95 and up. And there's a few different companies that sell it. Okay. So anyway, that's only beneficial for your laundry. It's not an actual water softener that softens the water for your whole house. If you're interested in finding a good water softener, buy it from a reputable company. I recommend qualitywatertreatment.com. They've been in business for 28 years. I'm actually the CEO of that company. I have over 33 years experience in the water treatment industry. So we're not just here to sell you a high quality product that is going to actually pay for itself, not just in savings uh, and cleaning stuff and protecting your investment in your home and your clothes and all your fixtures and everything else. But we actually offer a Soft Pro brand softener, which is upflow, high efficiency, new age technology softener that actually will um, actually pay for itself in savings over traditional softeners that you find on the market today. So if you go to our website at uh, www.qualitywatertreatment.com, what you're going to find here is that you're going to find that uh, our website where it's going to first tell you how to size the water softener. So the first thing you want to do is watch our video here, which it shows you how to use our sizing calculator. Once you've used the sizing calculator, it's going to recommend a water softener size for you. This is a real important step because that step is going to make sure that you get a softener that gives you the most efficient uh, system that you could get without it costing you a fortune in maintaining and upkeeping the system and wastewater salt and repairs and everything else. So so sizing is the first part of making sure that you get the right softener. Once you get there, it'll recommend what size softener based on the calculations of years of experience of knowing which one is going to be the best for you based on the information that you've inputted into our calculator. Once you've gotten to that point, it's going to give you a comparison of an average water softener that we sell. That we've been selling this system for years before the high efficiency systems came out. We still carry it because people are looking for it, but we don't recommend it. Which is the Fleck 5600 SXT downflow water softener. Downflow water softeners is what you're going to find on the market today in most places, not just Fleck, but Culligan, Clack, Whirlpool, General Electric, Connecticut, Culligan. All those systems are downflow softeners. Downflow softeners, again, Fleck has been around a long time. It's a reliable system, but it's a system that's going to cost you a lot to maintain. over the years because it wastes a lot of salt and wastes a lot of water per regeneration. Even when you're sizing it properly, you're still going to burn through a lot of it, which is bad for the environment, not good for your pocketbook either. So why not buy a water softener that's actually going to pay for itself in savings? Makes a lot of sense, right? So if you go to the Soft Pro systems, our Pura Soft Pro system, which is an upflow model, it carries a better warranty than the Flex systems. It also will save you up to 75% on salt and 64% on water every regeneration using the technology that it has. Average savings is $220 per year in salt and wastewater savings alone, not including maintenance factors as far as valve wear and tear and stuff like that. And that's not just a sales pitch. That's actually true figures that have data has been put together by the manufacturer, which is the second largest water treatment manufacturer in the world that builds our Soft Pro brands for us. Getting parts and service for these softeners is not an issue because this particular system and valve is sold by all kinds of different dealers across the globe, just under different brand names is all. So this figure of $220 a year is spot on. We actually did a 2-year study on our own, which is on our FAQ page, using different sources and different scenarios. And within a few cents, we're right there, $220 per year. That's a huge savings. So even if you find maybe a cheaper model somewhere else that's a downflow model, like at a big box store or online somewhere, if it's not the high quality systems like these upflow high efficiency softeners, they're actually not too good of a bargain for you because their warranties are less, the quality is less, and they're going to cost you a lot of money to maintain them. So this is actually a bargain at the prices that we're selling them for. Then we have our Soft Pro Elite Basic. That's a 1-inch flow water softener. It's a little bit better softener than the Pura. It's 1 inch over 3/4, so a higher flow rates with less pressure drop, but it's a better valve. It's got a better warranty, better upgraded resin, which is chlorinated, chloramine resistant. And it comes with a lot of other features as well that I think you'll like. So that's everything, folks. We have a lot of information on our website, a lot of good tools, and we're here to help you. And thank you for visiting us. Have a good day.